If GIMP is giving you an update error, the good news is that this is usually fixable without a lot of complicated troubleshooting. In most cases, the problem comes from corrupted configuration files, leftover background processes, or files from an older installation that are still hanging around on your system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GIMP update error step by step on Windows so you can get GIMP installed and working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, before doing anything else, make sure GIMP is completely closed. Sometimes GIMP may still be running in the background even if the window is not open, and that can block the update or reinstall process. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Then look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything named gimp.exe. If you see it, click it once and then choose End Task. You want to make sure there are no GIMP processes still active before you continue. Once you have ended any running GIMP tasks, restart your computer. This is an important step because it clears temporary locks and makes sure Windows fully releases any files that might still be in use. After the restart, try opening the update or installer again and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, move on to the next step. Now we're going to do a clean uninstall. Open the Windows Start menu, search for apps and features, and find GIMP in the list of installed programs. Click on it, then select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove the program completely from your computer. This step helps clear out broken installation files that may be causing the update error. After uninstalling GIMP, you also need to wipe out any leftover files manually. A lot of update problems happen because old folders remain behind even after the uninstall finishes. Open File Explorer and go to C Program Files. Look for a folder named GIMP2 or GIMP3, depending on the version you had installed. If you find it, delete that folder. This removes residual program files that could interfere with the new installation. Next, you need to reset the user profile files for GIMP. These are usually stored in your Windows user folder and can become corrupted over time. In File Explorer, go to C/users/admin/AP-data roaming. If your Windows username is different, use your own account folder instead of admin. Inside roaming, find the folder named GIMP. You can either delete it or rename it if you want to keep a backup first. Renaming it is a safer option if you're not completely sure, because it lets you restore it later if needed. This step is especially useful when GIMP keeps failing to open after an update. Now that the old version and its leftover files are cleared out, download a fresh copy of GIMP from the official GIMP downloads page. It is very important that you use the official source so you know you are getting the correct and safest installer. Once the file is downloaded, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. Running the installer with admin privileges helps avoid permission issues that can cause update errors or installation failures. Go through the installation steps carefully and let GIMP finish installing. After that, launch the program and check whether it opens normally. In many cases, this fresh install fixes the problem immediately because it replaces damaged files and clears out corrupted settings. If GIMP still gives you trouble after all of these steps, double check that no background antivirus or security software is blocking the installation. Some security tools can interfere with setup files or prevent GIMP from writing the changes it needs. You can also try rebooting one more time and running the installer again as administrator. So to quickly recap, the main fix is to stop any running GIMP processes, uninstall the old version, delete leftover program folders, reset the roaming profile folder, and then reinstall GIMP using the official download and administrator permissions. That combination solves most GIMP update errors on Windows. I hope this helped you get GIMP working again. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step software fix tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.